Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by closing Outlook and exporting mail data so nothing is lost. Export PSD files or copy OSD backups to an external folder. Once done, sign out and switch to an administrator account so you have removal permissions. Next, open Task Manager and disable Outlook from startup to prevent launches during uninstall. Make a quick system restore point to revert if needed. This protects you when removing Office components that include Outlook. You now remove the program itself. Go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Installed Apps, locate Microsoft 365 or the standalone Outlook entry, and choose Modify or Uninstall. If Microsoft Installer offers a feature view, deselect Outlook to remove only that component, otherwise uninstall the whole Office suite. If Outlook is a Microsoft Store app, open Settings or run PowerShell, remove Apps package with the app package name to uninstall. Make sure to follow prompts and allow the process to complete without interruption. Finish by cleaning residual files and settings so Outlook cannot reappear. You should delete Outlook folders under %local app data % and %app data % and remove relevant program data entries. Export registry keys first, then carefully delete Outlook keys if present. Next, open Control Panel, right arrow Mail, right arrow Show Profiles, and remove any old profiles so Windows won't recreate links. Restart the PC, run disk cleanup, and confirm Outlook no longer launches. If something goes wrong, boot into Clean Boot or Safe Mode and rerun the uninstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.